Hello coders, welcome to Level Up with Coding. Today I will be solving the problem 58, length of last word, which is also part of today Leetcode daily challenge problem. First understand the problem. What is the problem? Given a string S containing of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. And a word is maximal substring consisting of non-space character only. Okay, let's understand first. Okay, so what is the problem? You have given a string. You have given a string which is consisting list of word. Okay, and you have to found what is the length of the last word. Okay, but it may happen that you have a string and you have to found the last word length, and it may happen that in the last there are some space, so you have to remove those space. Okay, because in the question it is mentioned that the last word mean only non-space character. Okay, consisting only non-space character. Okay, so let's understand the example. Okay, and for the example 1, what is the length of last word? And this is the world, it is the last word, so the length is 5. And for the second example, the length is 4. Why 4? Because the last word is moon, and which consists only 4 character, so length is 4. So we have to eliminate those space also. Okay, because we just have to return the length of the last word. And for the example 3, the length of the last word is 6, because the last word is joy boy, which is consisting 6 character. Okay, so I think the question is clear now. Okay, so how we will approach the problem? So what I have to do? First we have to eliminate the extra character. Which is the extra character for that problem? This is the space. Okay, we have to eliminate those space. For example, in the second example, we have seen that there is some extra space. So what we have to do? First we can eliminate those space and then find what is the length of the last word. So how we find? First we'll iterate from the last. Okay, as we have to found the length of the last word, right? So what we can do? We make a pointer in the last index. What is the last index? The last index will be string length minus 1, right? String length minus 1 will be the last index, right? This is the last index. Then we eliminate the extra character. How we eliminate the extra character? As we know, the extra character is space, so we iterate through a loop until this is space, right? While my current character equal to space, we eliminate. How we eliminate? We just move the pointer. So the what is the last pointer? The last pointer is string length minus 1, and I will be stored in a variable such as length. Okay, and I will just reduce the length, and after break out from the loop, right? When we break out from the loop? When we see the first character, right? Because we are iterating while my current character equal to space. If we see that my current character is not equal to space, mean my current character is an alphabet. Okay, then we simply break, and my length pointer is also pointing the last character, and after that we'll iterate through another loop, and in that case we'll iterate through only whenever there is an alphabet, right? Because as we have found the last character non-space character, right? Then we only count the number of non-space character. Okay, that means until my current character is not equal to space, right? Not equal to space, we just reduce the last pointer, and also we can take an variable which is my result, okay, and we just increase the value, and at the last the result will be my length of the last word, okay. And this is the simple approach. So let's move to the code editor part, so it will be more clear. I think approach is clear right now, no? Okay, let's move to the code editor. So what I have to do, I have to first eliminate the last character, right? So first I have to find what is the last index. So last index will be my string length minus 1, okay, right now. So then what I have to do, I have to iterate through from the last, right, and I have to eliminate those space. That means whenever I am seeing that my current character is equal to space, right, I just reduce my pointer. Then I will take another variable which give me the result, right, and then until I have the current character is alphabet, that means not equal to space, right, until this condition is valid, I just reduce my pointer and increase the result. But it may happen and add a index out of bound error. Why? Let's see. If we consider that my string is hello, okay, so what is the last pointer? My last pointer will be pointing an O, okay, and this is non-empty, so the first loop will be not valid, so it will start the second loop and it will go until it does not contain space. That means until my current character not equal to space, it will reducing the length. Then it move to the L, then it move to the before L, then it move to the E, then it move to the H, but after that it try to move -1 index. But whenever I try to find what is the current character, that means s dot char of -1, this will give an add a upper bound index, right? So I have to stop until we have a valid index, right? So what I can do, I can write another condition whenever my length is also greater than equal to 0. If my length is less than 0, that means I have reached the first character, right? So I have to stop there. So at last we have to return just result, because the result will be my length of the last. And now submit it. Yeah, it beats 100%, right? So what is the time complexity? The time complexity is big O of n. Why big O of n? It may happen that I have a given a string and this consists only one word and other will just space. So in worst case I have to iterate through all the character in string, because I have to eliminate those space, then I have to iterate through all non-space character, right? Then I have reached 0 index. So what is the time complexity? The time complexity is order of n. And what is the space complexity? The space complexity is order of 1, as I am not using any space, okay. In case you understand the solution, make sure you subscribe the channel and share with your friend and stay connected with us. Thank you.